how's it going? In today's vlog we're going to be taking the new Mavic Pro replacement that I received yesterday for a test drive, and we're going to be talking about my experience with DJI, the DJI Go Assistant application, DJI Go app on Android, and see whether this new drone is clear of the gimbal problems that I was having previously. Let's get cracking. So let's talk about my experience of DJI as a company so far. I, like many of you out there, was waiting months for my DJI Mavic to arrive. I placed my original order, I was on the 5th of November through a third-party retailer here in the UK. Cut a very long story short, got fed up after a couple of months. DJI then emailed me and said that they, if I ordered direct with them, they would deliver a drone within 7 to 10 working days. So I cancelled my order with the third-party retailer, went with DJI, and they stuck to their promise, to be fair. Received the drone and then proceeded to have some issues with it. So if you've watched my previous videos, I did a vlog flying around the Avebury Stone Circle and Silbury Hill and Cheryl Downs, and you can see the gimbal issues I was having on those videos. Lots of juddery video going on. So reached out to DJI Support on the 31st of January, and yesterday I received a replacement drone. So they arranged to pick my faulty one up. It all had to be shipped, everything, the entire Flymore combo package had to go back, and it was shipped back to the Netherlands, went back to their replacement centre where they inspected the drone to make sure I hadn't crashed it or damaged it, and then within a couple of hours I had a notification that I had a replacement drone on the way. So yeah, I received the replacement yesterday, which was the 8th, and yeah, what can I say? I've heard lots of negative things about DJI Support from other YouTubers and on DJI's own forums, on the support forums. Lots of frustrated people out there, but I can only say that so far my experience has been quite a positive one. They've been really helpful and they've turned things around in a reasonable time frame. So I can't really complain as far as that's concerned. So the other thing I wanted to talk about was running the DJI Go app on an Android device. Now, I have a Google Nexus 7 II tablet, which is, I don't know, 2013 I think they were manufactured, so it's a few years old, but it's not a tablet with a really poor spec. It had it's got a reasonably decent processor and RAM. Should be able to cope, but it doesn't seem to run the DJI Go app at all well. It's pretty unusable, to be honest. I've seen videos online with people having issues with Android and the DJI Go app, but kind of intermittent, where here and there it might disconnect. Mine is completely unusable. The video is really juddery, and it just disconnects all the time. So not sure what's going on there. So again, if you've got any advice or know a resolution to any of these issues, then drop them in the comments below.
stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, a very successful first test flight with the new Mavic. Really happy. Just need to check the footage on the computer, but from what I could see, it looked really good. So signing off now. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you very much.